I need to go into Roblox. Alright then, alright boys, alright, play with them like toys. I need to open up studio. Hold up. Bruh. Always go watch me. Man, bruh. Why can't I open up? Why can't I open up studio? Oh fuck. Oh, why can't I open up Roblox studio? What? What? Bruh. Bruh. What? Oh, it's okay. Never mind. I, what am I gonna do now? Okay. Game capture. Studio. What do you mean learning how to script? Like Lua scripting. I'm not exploiting.
Oh.
I'm trying to make Oh, you see, I want to make a
Bro,
Naruto game. So
I tried to switch the Naruto game and then I ended up hacking in GPO.
I accidentally downloaded Synapse X or something. Yo, what's up, Josh? What's up, Monkey D's? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna continue making the game, but it's like a solo effort now because Rubes, my friend, like he's not gonna continue it. I'm gonna be honest.
I used to script the games
No,
because
you
I'm
never.
better.
No, you never.
No, I
Stop
didn't.
lying.
I scripted Scratch games. Totally the same.
He's kind of busy at the moment. Like, wait, is my screen frozen?
You're not even screening.
What? I'm streaming, but
Oh, you're not.
is Metal TV. Oh, wait. I'm so confused. He was the best man ever. Oh, I see how it is. I see how it. I'm joking. Oh, why isn't it capturing my full desktop? What the?
Nice.
Bring him
Kind of
back.
cringe.
Why is my game what? Capture any full screen? No. Okay. I'm so confused. Why is it not capturing? Oh, I gotta do window capture, I think. I don't know. Like that. Still not capturing. What the? What? Still not capturing. He even gave me a special role in the Discord server. Oh yeah, cause you boosted it. Yeah, I remember. Oh, you know what? Wait, can I turn this caption window into a wait? Can I turn this game capture window into a remove? Alright, hold on, chat. I'm just doing something. Video capture device. Oh, display capture. Display capture. Okay. Whoa. Nothing to see here. Wait, I need to. Discard. Wait. Oh, I need to get rid of display capture. I don't want people seeing my PC. I mean, there's nothing on there, but still.
Hey, what you doing?
But still, I'm not capturing my PC. I mean, there's nothing to show, but no, I'm not doing that.
Got some stuff on there. You can't be showing any of it.
Yeah, I don't have anything weird on there. Like,
It opened it. Oh my
wait.
god. Okay.
Oh, I gotta wait. Wait, I'm just doing some technical stuff here. Hold on.
Every Roblox game is kind of trash. No cap.
It's true though. Like, Shindo Life
Pseudo
was
Life
mid.
L. GPO L.
Dragon Ball Final Remastered. Actually, no, that was a decent game. I'm not even gonna lie. It was decent for a bit. Wait, oh, yeah, I need to fit this to screen. Hold on, chat. I don't want anyone to leave this stream or anything. Transform. Alright. Transform. Fit the screen. Wait, why is it not overlapping? Oh. Oh. Wait. Hmm? I'm so confused. Oh, there we go. Sorry, chat. Wait. There we go. Fit the screen. Okay. Transform. Transform. How can I fit this to this? What? Oh, I guess people are leaving. Oh well. It do be like that. Is that fitting? I can't tell. The screen. Oh, there we go. I need to watch some scripting tutorials. Let me put in some background music. Naruto lo-fi hip hop. How about that? This is so cringe. I don't know why I'm doing this. Ugh. Scripting tutorial Roblox.
Alright, yo, what is going on?
I'm gonna watch on my other monitor.
I guess this is the end. Looking back, my life has been nothing but failure.
Yeah, actually, I'm gonna switch it to Spotify audio. hold up. Properties. Spotify.exe. Okay. Why isn't it coming through? Why isn't the audio coming through? Wait. Weird. Still no music coming through.
Sounds like an L.
The MCA free song. No, it's not playing through Spotify. What? Weird. I don't know any other audio applications. Yeah, I'll just play it for YouTube then. No worries.
Jiraiya the Gallant.
On guys, so this is my first video. It is the Dev King here.
Okay, I
know
didn't
my name is
ask.
kind of cheesy, but I hope you guys enjoy the name actually. But anyways, this is the Dev King here, and I'm going to be starting my scripting or beginner scripting tutorial. So this is it, guys. Basically, in this tutorial series, I'm going to be showing you guys everything there is about scripting, from printing to functions to loops to events to mode functions, everything. Okay, like I want to teach you guys everything so you can make awesome games, like games on the front page such as Jailbreak and Noob City and all that stuff. I'm going to be teaching you guys everything about scripting and how to do it all. So if you want to learn completely how to script, this is how you
Get on with the video. I just want to learn. Like,
I just want to shout out Peace Pod. Okay, like I learned a lot from him like a few months ago, and it's hard to learn sometimes when you're doing scripting tutorials because sometimes they just stop or they leave a gap in the video and you kind of get confused. But I'm gonna be replying to almost every comment or every comment as I can, and I'll also have some other my scripting friends come reply to your comments as well, so they can help you out. And if you're in the comment section below and you see someone's comment and you think you know the answer, just give them the answer. I mean, like if you think you can help them, at least attempt to. Alright, anyways, that's all I wanted to say. And let's get into your first video, or first tutorial. So, first things first, you're going to need to download Roblox Studio. So, the link to it is going to be in the description below. It's just roblox.com/create. But the link's in the description below if you don't want to not building your game. So explaining like almost everything there is to know about this. So if you already had a bit of experience with a studio, you might want to go to the next tutorial because this one is going to be like from the ground up. But if you want to review, that's fine too. So anyways, workspace. Okay, I'm going to explain what the workspace is. Okay, so the workspace is basically just everything you can see. Okay, yo, what is going on, guys? It is your favorite YouTuber here. I'm just kidding, but it is the Dev King here, and I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to script or make your first script and print. So, yeah,
what type of name is Dev King?
So, all you're gonna want to do is go to the workspace under Explorer, and you're gonna click the plus button, and then type in script, and that's how you have your script.
I don't know either.
All this stuff we don't need it right now, but this is how you print. Okay, so printing basically is just like putting stuff in the output. So I can print the Dev King is awesome, and it'll go right here. Now the thing is about this is that it's not really, it won't really show in your game at all. Like it's not going to show anywhere in your game, but it's very useful for learning how to script and actually like, scripting itself because you can fix like what's wrong, figure out what's wrong with your code. So printing is very useful later on down the line. But anyways, I'm going to teach you guys how to do that in the first video because it's very important. So you're going to want to go ahead and just type print into the script, okay? Print, and then you're going to want to put in parentheses, one parenthesis, and then one quotation mark, and then you're going to type in whatever you want. So I'm going to put the Dev King is awesome, okay? Now, obviously, this is very true, but you can print whatever you want. Just make sure it's in quotation marks and it's in parentheses, okay? So if it's like this, then that won't work. You need to make sure it's quotation mark and then quotation mark, and it's parenthesis around parenthesis, okay? So yeah, you understand what I mean. So you're gonna want to go ahead and hit play, and it's gonna load up my game. Okay, sorry, but it's gonna load up my game, and you're gonna see the Dev King is awesome in the script, or in the output. My bad. So it's really cool because it shows you whatever you want, and yeah. So now I'm gonna teach you how to print numbers. Okay, so if you're printing a number, you're just gonna go ahead and delete all this. I'm gonna delete this.
It's not
And
even
if you're printing a number, you're gonna type in print, just like you were before.
Wait, I think I
and
did
you're
the
gonna type the
script
number
wrong.
in, and then put another parenthesis. Okay.
Wait, hold on. I typed out the script wrong. Yo, is anyone in this chat though? Okay, so
So if you're printing a number, you're just going to go ahead and delete all this. I'm going to delete this. And if you're printing a number, you're going to type in print, just like you were before. And you're going to type the number in, and then put another parenthesis. Okay? No quotation marks for numbers. Numbers are called integers. So if you hear integers, that means numbers. Okay? And numbers, okay. Integers are not surrounded by quotation marks. Okay? Only strings are, which was what the text was. So you're going to go ahead and hit play. And obviously, you guessed it, it's going to print 5. And print 5. And now, a cool thing you can do with printing is you can print 5.
can't even
plus
see the
5.
output.
So you guys know what that is, 10, obviously. But it's really cool because you can like literally use Roblox as a calculator if you want. But I mean, I'm sure that's not what you want to learn scripting for, but you could. So yeah. So 5 times, and the time symbol is the star, and then yeah, and then subtraction is obviously the minus, and I'll go into all those later because they're not that important right now. Another thing I want to learn about printing is the fact that you can print like decimal values too. So you can type in print 0.3, okay, and it'll print 0.3 obviously. So give that a second to load.
I typed this out right.
Alright, and print 0.3. So that's pretty much all I need to cover.
Anyone?
Right now, guys, it's kind of simple. So this tutorial is probably really short, but that's okay because it gets the the message across. So anyways, I'm gonna teach you one short thing that's really important for scripting, and then yeah, we'll be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter twice just to get some
See
space.
anything in the
Okay,
output.
and basically, if you put 2 minus symbols or 2 dashes in like the script,
I even need to know this.
it'll actually add a comment. So I can do comment. Alright, that's what that is. It's a comment. So I can do this comment is awesome. Okay, I spelled awesome wrong, but awesome. And yeah, the script, or the executor, which is the script, will actually ignore the comment. So I
I'm
can
definitely
print
not trying to
this,
learn how to
and it'll
exploit
ignore
it.
this. Like it won't read the comment because there's 2 dashes or 2 minuses behind it. So it's really useful for knowing like like keeping notes in your code. And I use it a lot.
Exploiting
on
GPO
You have to
So,
pay to
you can put
exploit
it, like,
now
anywhere you want,
anyways.
basically. I just
At
wanted
least
to put
if
it, like,
you're
in here
at
because,
least if you're using
it
Synapse
would
X.
comment the rest of the line out. So
Yeah.
That's
put
what
it,
one of
like,
my
in a line
friends
like
told
that.
me.
But yeah, that's
Yeah, I
you
don't
have to
exploit.
pay to get
and
in.
if you guys
Think so.
Yeah.
wanna if you guys want to see more tutorials, then make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.
Hey.
Okay, what is going on, guys? It is the Dev King here, coming to you guys with a brand new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys about variables And this is actually where the fun stuff starts, okay? Variables are actually kind of cool because you actually do stuff with them besides like printing where you can only print. But variables are really cool, and yeah, I'll be teaching you about those in today's video.
Variables.
So let's get right into it. Okay, so to enter your first script, well, you guys know how to do this already. I taught you last video, so you can type into script, enter, and then delete this because we don't need that. So variables, in summer or like in you know like basic words, is like a variable holds a value. Okay, so it's
Oh, okay, that
or like
makes
a
a
name
lot more sense.
sorry, it holds value. Okay, that's all you need to know. So if I'm gonna make this an example. Okay, like let's say I had a box. Okay, and I called the box. I wrote on the box. I wrote clothes. Okay, what would you think that's in that box? All right, a T-shirt maybe. You know, like or you know a hoodie. You know, like obviously it's clothes. Okay, so it's just like a box that holds numbers, and the box can always change and stuff like that. So I'll show you what I mean right now. So to define your first variable, you're gonna want to go ahead and just type in local.
Okay, I'm
So
gonna
type
watch
in
some
local and then type a space. All right. Now local, and then this is where you type the name. Okay. So local basically just makes your script run a little bit faster, and it's just good practice to put before all your variables. Don't worry about that right now though, because it doesn't really concern you. But just type in local and then hit space or hit space bar and then type in the name of your variable. So I'm gonna call the variable my name. Okay, so you can name the variable whatever you want. It doesn't matter. It can be a like you can call it hot dogs. You can call it mac and cheese. All right, whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. Just make sure it doesn't start with a number. If the variable starts with a number, then it won't work. Okay, but you can always put numbers after. So you can call it like like hot dogs 1 or 2 or it doesn't matter. Just don't start with a number. That's pretty much it. Anyways, after you do that, you're gonna type in equals, and then you're gonna type in the value of variable. So how many hot dogs do we have? We have 4 hot dogs. Okay, so we have 4 hot dogs. So what can we do with this now is what you're asking probably. So we can print this, we can add it to other stuff, we can we're using it all the time, so it's very important. So you can just go ahead and print hot dogs, okay? And now you're obviously gonna get, if you can assume, 4 because it's not in quotation marks and it's actually assumed, or it's actually using the variable to print, so it's gonna print 4. So it's really what it's doing is just it's going to the script. It says okay, local hot dogs is equal to 4, and we're gonna print hot dogs. Now what is hot dogs? 4. Okay, so it just prints
I
4.
don't see the
So that's
output
pretty simple.
bar anywhere.
Now we can also do strings for variables. Okay, so we can do local favorite name the Dev King. Okay, you can do that. So basically, obviously, you can print that too, and it'll just print the Dev King. Now,
Can
I
you
think about
get rid
doing
of it? I
strings,
can't
or think
tell.
about, yeah, sorry, 1 second. I think about doing strings is that you need to make sure they're in quotation marks, okay? They're always going to be in quotation marks. But don't put the variables in quotation marks when you're printing, okay? Only strings and if they're exact, if you want an exact string, okay? And then another type of variable we can do is we can do local, favorite decimal point, alright? And basically you can do 0.3, 6.0, anyways, that's decimal point, alright? Pretty simple. Now, a cool thing you can do with the variables is you can add them together. So we can do this, okay? We can do hot dogs. We'll make a new variable. We'll call it hamburgers, okay? We have 6 hamburgers, okay? So we can do hot dogs plus hamburgers. Oh, my bad. Hamburgers, and it'll print the value of hot dogs plus the value of hamburgers. So print hot dogs plus hamburgers, and you get.
Let me pause that for a second. Sorry, you still there? need to take this seriously. Local. I don't know what I'm doing. Just following along what this guy's doing. Oh. All I know is that the script like prints something in the output. I really don't know. I'm lost. Print. Hello, patch star. Pizza plus. I don't know. Fries.
4 plus 6, 10. Okay.
I have no
Nice.
knowledge.
So
of
yeah,
scripting.
that's what you can do with variables and a lot more, of course, but right now we're not going to go into that because I need someone to teach you basic stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much variables, and yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys
Hello,
enjoyed,
edit
I hope you guys
lover.
enjoyed today's lesson, and tomorrow we'll probably be talking about functions, or actually not functions, probably something basic. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Okay, guys, welcome to your third, or no, fourth, fourth tutorial. So, in today's video, we're going to be doing basic math on Lua, okay? So, pretty simple stuff. It's just basic math. It's called arithmetic, so that's what it's going to be titled of the video.
Goblin noises equals
It's
welcome.
basically just basic math that you do in Lua. So, let's go ahead and get started and start off our script. So, I already inserted the script, but to do that, you're just going to click the plus button here, type in script, and then click that. But I already have mine, so I'm going to double click mine, and now I have it. So I'm gonna delete all what I have because that was relevant. But anyways, basically,
I'm
basic
trying to
math,
learn how to
you
script
need to
so
know
I
this
can
stuff
make an
because
anime
in
game.
Lua or in any programming language, you're going to do some math. Now, if you don't like
I
math or
don't
in
know
your
what
least
I'm
favorite
doing.
subject, you're bad at it maybe, it's okay. All right, trust me. Not every scripter is good at math. There are a lot of scripters that aren't good at math. Personally, I'm like okay at math. It's not my favorite subject, but I don't mind it. But it's pretty simple what we'll be doing here. It's nothing like too complex. It's just adding, dividing, and multiplying and stuff like that. Anyways, so I'm going to be assuming you guys know how to divide, okay, and multiply. So anyways, let's get started.
It's easy though.
You can, as you all know, like basic math. So like 10 plus 10 would be equal to 20, right? And you can't just run 10 plus 10 because Lua doesn't know what to do with this 10 plus 10.
You
So
do
you
like
could print 10 plus
print
10
10 plus
like
10.
this. Like you can go like this and type in print and then
Oh,
play, and then obviously it's gonna print it, and that's 20. And you can minus it or you can subtract it. So you can
where do I
do
find the
minus symbol,
output
which is gonna be
section
0.
on
10 minus 10 is
Studio?
0. And you can multiply it with this. It's the asterisk. It's the key
Or is
above
this
your 8.
video
So hold
outdated?
shift and press the 8 key. And that's going to be 100 because 10
Hot towel.
times 10 is 100. So then you can also do this. You can divide it. Now this is going to give you 1 because 10 divided by 10 is 1. So a number divided by itself is 1. So it's going to be 1. Yeah. But you guys all know what that means. But yeah, these are basically the symbols you use to do it. Anyways, why you need to know this is because maybe you need to do stuff with these variables. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the base plate, alright? And as you see here, my properties are over here, okay? And now, when you have the base plate selected, all of the properties on the left side can all be changed with scripts, okay? So I can make it
Daddy's
so
gonna
it's not
buy
linked
a
with the script. I can make it so it's archivable with the script. I can make it so the transparency is higher with the script. I can change the material. I can change the color. I can do everything. Okay. So we're gonna use this script. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. We're going to get we're gonna make a variable. Okay. We're gonna call it
Oh,
um
Eminem.
part transparency. Okay.
Bro.
So
Alright,
yeah,
anyways.
we're gonna make a variable called part transparency. Alright, and now transparency works is that it's a decimal point. Okay, so once it goes to 1, it stops. So right now you don't see a base plate because it's 100% transparent. Okay, so if it's in the middle, there's halfway, and on the right or on the left, obviously it's completely not see-through. So anyways, you're gonna type in local part transparency, and we can do point 3 for 30 plus 0.30. And now obviously 0.30 plus 0.30 is going to give you 0.6. Now you're probably saying, oh, okay, well, how would it change the transparency because it's not actually equal to it? So what you do instead, or to what you do to make this part transparency equal to the actual transparency of the base plate is you would go like this, okay? This is going to be what you call object-oriented programming, okay? So whenever there's like a dot like this, okay? Whenever there's dots like this, that means it's object-oriented. Now, I'm going to explain to you what that means right now. So, object-oriented basically just means that there's objects, okay? So, let me just break this down, alright? So, everything you see in the Explorer on your right side of the screen, right? Everything you see here is all under the game, okay? So, put an imaginary thing called game right here. Now, that was a search filter, so it's going to make everything go disappear, but put an imaginary game right here, okay? And now all of these are under the game. So basically, whenever you type like something in, you're gonna use game always. But anyways, you see how it says workspace and then it says script, camera, terrain, all this stuff. Now if I click that arrow, it'll go away, right? But these camera, terrain, child, script, and baseplate are all children of the workspace. You understand? Like, cause they're lower and they're to the right of it. Now these aren't children; these are all equal. All of these are children of the game, but these, since there's like an indent, there's all children of the workspace. Okay, so how you know that is you would just click on the arrow, you'd look to the right, you'd see. So remember, put the imaginary game here, so game, and then dot, what is it, workspace, and then dot baseplate. That's how you get your baseplate in your script. Okay. Now, this is the workspace is also the parent of the base plate. So if you see on your property side over here, it says the parent is workspace because obviously you go up to the left, workspace. So child is like below it and parent is like above it, okay? But if they're on the same level, then they're not parent or child of each other. Anyways, now
You're dumb.
obviously you're not gonna see the transparency. You're like, oh, okay, well, I don't
Oh,
see the child
what's that?
transparency under the base plate, and that's because it's not actually a child or
What's
an object. It's just a
up?
variable. So it's part of the data in here, or the appearance. Okay, so you're gonna see on the property side the base plate dot transparency. Okay,
I'm
here
not gonna lie,
is equal
scripting
to
is kind of boring.
you can make it equal to 0.5
I know,
or
but
1, but we're gonna change it to part
not gonna
transparency.
lie, I really wanna learn how to make a
basically,
game, just so I can,
the part
you
transparency
know,
is equal to 0.6 or 0.60.
just for the
So the
just
transparency
for the
of the
sake of
baseplate will
it.
turn to 0.60. So let's go and play the game and show you what I mean.
I
Alright,
should
and you see,
probably
boom,
learn how
the
to do
transparency is
Blender.
0.60. So it's the
But
part
One,
transparency.
I mean, I would learn, but like,
you're lazy.
yeah.
How much free time do you even have?
Not a lot.
A lot.
Oh, not a lot.
You have time right now, so you know,
That's true.
just learn it now.
Is equal to 0.6 or 0.60. So the transparency of
That's a
baseplate will turn
valid
to 0.60. So
point.
let's go and play the game and show you what
Alright, hold up. I'm gonna mute for a second. What do you mean by mochi buzz cut?
Oh.
Yo, if you need a mochi buzz cut. What? What is bro talking about?
What is he talking about? Uh, hmm. Okay, so I could relearn Blender and then like make a model or something. I could also
Alright, and you see, boom.
Learn
Transparency
get a
is 0.60.
get a
So
smoothie
it's pretty
and
cool what you
then
can do with scripts. This
binge
is
like
just
20
like one
episodes of
thing
The
of
Walking Dead for no reason.
object-oriented programming. Okay, that's what you call it.
Oh,
But
it works.
anyways,
I actually made the
you can
object
also just change
transparent.
directly with numbers. So
Yeah.
it's
I
like
actually did
5,
something.
maybe
What the?
5 halfway, and obviously it's gonna make it 0.5. And see, well, it doesn't look much different from 0.6, but yeah. And you can also just change it, or you can also do every other value in there. So you can do reflectance is equal to 1.
Yeah, if you're
Right?
making a
Yeah,
random
like,
game,
0 to 1.
I'm making
So
a
it would be
Naruto
100%, or
game
1 reflectance.
with
So
a
and then
friend.
you could also change the material. So game.workspace.baseplate.
I'm trying to like
reflectance,
learn the basics of
or not
scripting,
material, my
and
bad.
then I want to learn like
Material is
Blender
equal
and
to,
that.
and now you're probably saying, okay, well this isn't a number, it's a string. Okay, that's what it is. This isn't a number, so you can't say materials equals 2. No, it's a number, so, or it's a string. So what you do is you would put in quotation marks, wood. You know, maybe you wanted the material to be wood, and as you can see down here, there's wood, and then it's going to change the base plate to wood. So I'll show you what I mean here.
Oh, baseplate dot material, which is another. Is that? Wait. Is material like a variable or a? Oh, an object-oriented variable. I think that's true. Yeah, yeah, I am. Anyways. Anyways. I'm just gonna do this code. I'm not gonna specify that. Because that's kind of weird, bro. I'm gonna lie. Anyways.
This isn't a number, so you can't say materials equals 2. No, it's a number, so, or it's a string. So what you do is you would
No
put in
comment.
quotation marks, wood. You know, maybe you wanted the material to be wood, and as you can see down here, there's wood, and then it's going to change the base plate to wood. So I'll show you what I mean here. And boom, that looks really weird, but yeah, that's what it looks like.
I don't
But
know
yeah,
if it's gonna
anyway,
work.
that's what I mean by this. And also, maybe
Is that
you know,
wood?
whenever
No,
you're
it's not.
scripting, right?
Oh, oh wait, I didn't. I didn't put the emphasis around it. I think that's what it is. There we go. Alright, will it change the base plate into wood now? Oh yeah, it did. Nice.
This is another use for variables. But whenever you're scripting, you don't want to type in game.workspace.baseplate. It will take so long, right? So what you do is you would do local
I can show you a link to a video
is equal to
where I was in.
.workspace.baseplate.
If you want,
And now
you can't send
can
links
delete this stuff
into my
because you
chat.
already have the base plate. You see what
Because
I'm
of
saying?
the YouTube policy.
already
Hey,
have the base plate.
what kind
So
of
you can
link
just
are you
skip all
trying
that.
to send?
Yeah, like, or just tell me the title of the video and I'll just search it up. The Last Day 2 horror movie. The Last Day 2 horror movie.
Nice.
Yeah, I can't find it. Go by upload date. Yeah, I can't find it. Better not be some troll. Hold down. Okay. Wait. Oh, Emergency Liberty County. Is that what you're trying to say? Oh yeah, I found it. I found it. I found it. You're in the you're in a in a emergency Liberty County video. I mean, I'll watch it later. Yo, what? No, I identify as a table. It's scary, right? Nah, I don't want. I just don't want to put it on stream in case I get copyrighted, and I'm trying to learn scripting right now, so I don't want to distract myself midstream.
Okay, guys, welcome to your. All right, yo.
I'm not scared or anything,
This is my
but
first
I've
video.
seen stuff.
Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boy, the Dev King here. I'm going to try to
Yeah, I'll watch it
So
later.
in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys about functions. I'm going to be showing you how to create functions, what they are, how you use them in a game, all that good stuff. So, anyways, let's go ahead and get.
I'm not gonna lie, men are kind of like, whoa.
Just insert your
I
script
didn't,
right now. So just go
I
here,
didn't say nothing.
type in SCR script, blah blah blah. So get your script, and to create a function, it's kind of like
men.
But before we do that, let me tell you what functions are.
Damn, I mean, if that's what you're into,
Basically,
then
like a block of code.
In my mouth.
Let's say you need to,
you know, like
you need to do something.
it's 2023.
In the program. Right? So maybe you had to print A. Obviously, you're not gonna want to print A, but maybe you had to. Okay, and you wanted to do it like a million times. All right, but you didn't want to print it. Like you didn't want to waste all this time doing all that code, right? So what you do instead is you create a function because you can just define the code one time and then you can just print it, or you can run it as many times with only one line of code. So that might sound a little bit confusing right now. I'm sorry if that does sound confusing, but I'm going to show you what I mean right now. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So you can type in local, just like how you define variables, because you want your function to be local, and then you're going to type in function. Okay? So function like that, to just because it's a keyword, so they need to know you're defining a function. So you're going to type in function like that, and then you're going to name your function. Your function can be anything you want to name it, but just like variables, it cannot start with a number. So we'll call it best function, okay? And then to finish it off, you're going to put two parentheses side by side, and then hit enter, and it'll put an end at the bottom for you. So you guys have never seen this end statement yet, and basically this just means that it's the end of the block of code.
I mean,
alright, so it might sound a little confusing, but don't worry. But anyways, yeah, this is what function is. So local function, best function, parentheses, and then your code that you want to execute. Okay, so let's say we want to do this. Okay, we wanted to do this. We want to do local best number, and then local favorite number. Okay, is equal. Okay, so this one's equal to 10. This one's equal to 15. Okay, and then we wanted to print best number plus favorite number. Okay, so this is kind of simple. All you're going to be doing here is you're going to be running this code, so you're going to be defining these two variables, and then adding these two variables together. So it's going to be 25. So, and then you have to actually run the function. So right now, if I just hit play, it's not going to do anything because it's just defining the function. See, as you can see, nothing happened because we never called the function. Okay, so calling the function means basically just make.
What's up, top donator? You have for me in Bed Wars? What the?
What is he talking about?
Yo, what? I don't even know how to exploit. I'm learning how to script a game. Bro, do I need to specify that in the title?
Learning how to script games.
Bro's trying to exploit in Roblox Bed Wars. What the?
What? Bro, just get better. So simple.
God. I can't. I'm actually creasing.
Bro.
Like, I mean, you know, just buy Synapse. I'm joking. I don't promote exploits like that.
As simple as that.
As simple as that is, you'll probably just get a ban from the game anyways. But it depends. It depends. It depends if it's server-sided or. Depends. It depends. It depends if the script is detectable by the game's anti-cheat. You still have a high risk of getting banned though, because people on Bed Wars can just report you and clip you.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I wouldn't do it. I only condone exploiting when it's on like online data games like condos and that's completely justified, by the way.
Making it run. And to make the function run or call it, you're just going to type in the name of the function and then with the parentheses at the end. So it'll be, best function.
I think it's okay
And
to
as you
use
can see, it shows
exploits
up
on
there already
condo
for me.
games.
But best function,
But that's it.
and then parentheses. And then boom, hit play. And what's going to happen? It's going to print 25. So yeah, that's pretty simple, pretty cool. But now, and then we can print it, or we can run this function.
I don't know why I just scripted, but all I know is I'm scripting a function in a game. That's all I know. I'm probably not going to memorize any of this, but I'm just gonna keep practicing. I'll get the hang of it eventually. Oh, so this is like the command that calls out this line of code? I don't know. Oh, wait, I've typed it out wrong. I'm typing out this. I don't know why I named the code Hamza. It's like my favorite self-improvement YouTuber at the moment. Okay, anyways, that's not important. Best number plus favorite number. Best number equals this. Okay, done.
Many times.
What happened?
So we can, oh my bad. We can just keep doing it, and then it'll print like 625s, right? So it's gonna just do that, and then
I have no idea what I'm doing. What is this supposed to do anyways?
And then, yeah, see? Now, Roblox Studio in the output, what it does is
There's
if
no
something's already
output
been
menu
outputted,
though.
it
Am I
will put,
stupid or
like
something?
a multiplication.
I swear this is an outdated tutorial. There's no output. There's no output button on the top of the
symbol, right? Of the or how many times it's been outputted. Okay, so that means it's been outputted 6 times. Okay, 25.
I'm still gonna use it anyways.
Alright, so yeah, that's pretty simple. But yeah, guys, that's basically what a function is. And
Output menu, Roblox video. What? Oh, it's accessible by the view tab. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's more useful. Now that I know that. Script command line 7. Workspace script attempted to perform arithmetic add on number and n item. Stack begin script workplace.script line 4. What, does the command not work? But yeah, I don't think the script works. There's an error on script line 4. I think. I don't know. I'm still learning. Oh wait, I think I put a space bar in between. Yeah, wait. I don't know.
I gotta go, NJ.
I
Bye.
Ugh. I'll put in some background music then.
The tale of Jiraiya the Gallant.
yeah, there are some more things about functions you guys will learn in tomorrow's video. And
Oh, I know where the error is. It's there. It should work now. Alright, let me try and troubleshoot it now. To see if the script like works. Oh, there's still an error. What? Yeah, I'm bored, but like I wanna learn how to script. Because I wanna learn how to make anime abilities like those Roblox Studio people. Like I watched a video of this person who scripted a Mochi Buzzcut. Someone scripted a Rasengan, a Chidori, a Shadow Clone Jutsu, like bruh. I wanna learn how to do that.
The tale of Jiraiya the Gallant.
I also wanna learn how to do VFX. I basically wanna learn how to do anything that has swollen wolf in sheep's clothing. I think your chat is lagging. Wait. Oh, I know what's wrong. I spelled favorite wrong. That's right. That's what. That's why. Bye. I'm gonna type on my tablet. Bye. Nice meeting you. Yeah. I don't know why this command is wrong though.
It's finished.
What? So confused. Oh, I didn't state what favorite number meant. Like, I didn't add a value to the script. I really don't know what I'm saying right now. Like, I didn't add a number to the thing. Does it work now? I'm assuming it worked. Nice. Oh yeah, it did. So it got the best number and then the favorite number, and they just added like each number. And wait, I typed like 5 lines. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, that's 5 lines of code down there. So it typed 5 numbers down there. Because this function is... Oh, okay, I get it. I understand it a little bit.
There are some more way cooler things you can do with functions, like you can actually put values in them and make them do stuff with those values.
Isn't this kind of useless though?
Now,
since you're only displaying it in the output menu.
When you'd use these in a game is, for example, maybe you wanted a function that would, like local function, maybe give players tools. Maybe you have a simulator game or something like that, and you wanted to give them tools, right? So basically, you type all the code in here. So blah blah blah. Okay, blah 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 blah, and then you would just run the function, and maybe that actually did something, and would give all players tools. But
Scope and return.
Alright, yo, what's going on, guys? It is Super, the Dev King here. I'm quick guys with a brand new video. So today's video, I'm going
Back on tablet? Nice!
So these are not that, they're not that simple. Scope is pretty simple, isn't that hard to understand, but returning is a little tricky. Now, if you don't understand returning after the video is over, then please leave a comment saying what you're confused on. If you're confused on literally everything, then just rewatch the video.
Trust me, in like a year, I'm gonna have a Roblox game, okay? In a year, I'm gonna have a Roblox game.
Why do we use this? What is
Trust.
I was so confused. So I'm gonna be trying to teach you.
Anything can happen if I put my mind
to it. This, so hopefully I can make it easier to understand than some of the other tutorials that are out there. Because you know, I understand why it was hard for me to learn. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. So first things first, let's go ahead and insert our script. I already have one. It's right here.
Okay, I cannot play because my Roblox is broken. Okay.
So
I'm making an anime game anyways.
Let's make a variable.
Bless you. Bless you too, man. The fact that you're watching my live stream right now
variables. I told you
is a blessing.
Remember that?
Anyways.
I was like, don't worry about that yet. It's not but local is actually starting.
I'm gonna stay humble.
It has to do with scope. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing to write this code. So we're gonna go ahead and do 2 functions, okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna make a function called.
I had something stuck in my throat.
We'll make a function local function test1, okay? And then we'll make local function test2, okay? And then these 2 separate functions, alright? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna print a in each of them, alright? Now you're probably like, okay, obviously this is gonna print a equals 2, right? Or it's not gonna print a equals 2. It's gonna print 2, right? And it didn't because I didn't call the functions. I'm an idiot.
Oh, I forgot to write the function down here. Oh yeah, I end the function there. And then... I need to open up chat. I'm trying to learn a lot of things. Like this year I'm gonna accomplish a lot of things. Trust me. I'm gonna make a game. I'm gonna learn how to video edit. I'm gonna learn a lot of things. And hopefully I can become a successful Roblox developer or something. Who knows? You gonna make it out of the hood? Yeah. I wanna make at least like I don't know. I wanna make at least like what? How much does Shindo Life make? How much the other Roblox games make? Like 3 mil a year? I wanna make at least 3 mil a year. But I don't want to make the game pay to win though. If I'm making one. Like, the only pay to win element might just be like skins or like cosmetic stuff that don't give people like an advantage. Like if I was making a Naruto game, I would just have like the yin or yang Ninetales. It's like different skins or something.
So
actually, no, that would be kind of good.
It's gonna print.
Like I would have the full Ninetales, but yin and yang would probably just be like paid skins or something.
Now, if I were to change this,
I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Question? I mean, as long as it's not like personal or like a weird question, I'm fine. Actually, I'm on break at the moment, so nah. So I'm just chilling in my room, going out, doing stuff with people, and I just, you know, come back home and I just chill, and then I just have nothing to do. So I'm just gonna learn how to script, just for the sake of it, just cause I have free time. That's all. I'm the only one in the stream. It's okay. You get that. like like whenever I stream, I just have like a couple people pop in there, and some people just dip. I'm not really bothered. But I mean, as long as you're watching, you know, I'm happy. As long as someone's watching, you know, I don't really care about the viewers. No, I'm not answering that, man. It's kind of weird. I mean, yeah, it is weird. Especially since it's someone who I've barely known for like 10 minutes. Like, bruh. Why do you even need to know how old I am? Isn't that kind of weird? We got EDP in here, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know what I just did. Like, you can tell I'm a kid. I don't buy that, man. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to what I'm doing.
This variable here, okay, and I put it in here. All right, I did local a is equal to 2, and I ran the script. It's gonna print. Watch, I'll show you. It's gonna print 2 and nil. Okay, so basically what happened was, the function, this function. You see how this function has like a little arrow? This is actually kind of useful for scope, but this function, knows what A is because it was defined in the function.
Functions are lines you can make callbacks on without. Functions are lines you can make callbacks on without typing the entire line again. Oh wait, really? Wait, so how do I call back that function instead of writing this exact line of code again? I really don't know what I'm talking about. I'm kind of stuck here. I don't know if I've typed this out right. Let me test it. If you say local function of test to print A saying test, it's to print A. Instead of saying test, you can make it print A. The video is like 7 and 54 minutes long.
Alright, you understand?
Thanks for the tip though.
Define the function so it knows what A is. Now, once like this function ends, right? So like you get to the end of this code.
Wait, I didn't even type this code out, right? Oh dang, I didn't even type this out, right? Wait. I even wait? I don't think I typed this out right. 54 minutes. No, it's local function test. Yeah, I typed this out wrong. Is that why it didn't work? Oh, there we go. Don't know if it will work now. Oh, it worked. I don't know what this means though. What does this even mean?
None of this is saved. Okay, they don't know any of this, or like this script, like this entire script, doesn't know what
Nil
A
is an undefined number.
This function, all right.
Oh, okay.
So this function was like, okay, what the heck is A, right? It's like I've never seen A. So it's giving you an error actually. So basically, it doesn't know what the heck A is. So it's just saying nil. And nil basically means no value. It's just like what I guess like the term is for no value in Lua. It just basically means no value. But yeah. So if I were to get rid of local, it would print A. It would do twice because it knows what A is now because it wasn't local. So basically, that's a little bit of what I'm trying to explain to you here. So yeah, that's basically scope. If something is defined as local in the script, and it's not in any sort of.
Oh, so if I put local at the top, it would define the number. That's okay. Trust. I want to be able to make like a. I want to be able to make like a whole like cutscene in Roblox Studio by the end of this year, or like at least in like a couple months. I wanna be able to make like a day-night cycle or something like that. Like, I wanna be able to make or like script like an anime awakening or something like that.
In that, like if it's not a block of code inside of a function or loop or anything like that, if it's just in the script.
Like a Naruto
like
Jutsu,
the entire
like
script can access it,
awakening
okay?
ability or something.
Alright, yeah, so that's scope. If you have any questions, please ask. I will always be ready to respond to the comments. So now let's get into
Just anything.
So like I said, returning also has to do with functions.
Or if I was making a JoJo game, I could do like a stand awakening animation.
Called high, alright? And we're gonna make it prince.
I just want to be able to do anything. That's
so, we're gonna call a function, and I'm not gonna waste your time calling it because you know it's just gonna print high. Okay, basically, if I run this right now, it will just print high, right? So, but what you can do with functions, which is kind of cool, is you can make a function equal to a.
Did it print high?
Equal to
Expected
variable.
identifier
So,
when
example,
passing
let's say
variable name.
I returned awesome. Okay.
Oh,
I'm returning awesome now from this function.
I didn't
basically,
define the function.
This function will go.
Did that print properly? Nope.
ahead, go through and run all of its code, blah blah blah, right? It's gonna run all of its code, and then at the end of it, it's gonna return awesome. Okay. Now, if I run the function, it's not gonna return awesome to like the output or anything like that. It's just gonna return awesome, right? But basically, it printed high, which is why I said that. But you're not gonna see awesome anywhere. So what you have to do to actually get the awesome is you have to set it equal to a variable. So you can do local hot dog, okay, is equal to the high function. All right. So basically, all this does is it sets this variable equal to this function. All right. Now it gets the value of this function by seeing what it returned. Okay. So now local hot dog is equal to high. All right. And I can print hot dog, and hot dog
I spelled hot dog wrong.
will give me, or will print awesome, because I returned awesome from the function because I set it equal to high. Now you may probably wondering like, okay, why do we even need to use returning if we can just set it to a variable? Now it just comes up later on. You'll see when you're actually scripting. It's hard to give an example, but yeah, that's fine.
Oh, I didn't call out the function. I don't think any of this is important anyways.
So I hope this really did explain it to you guys well, because when Yo, what is going on, guys? It is the Dev King here, back with another video. So guys, I am back, it is the Dev King here, and I'm going to be teaching you guys about parameters in today's video. So yesterday we learned about functions and returning and scopes with functions, and now we'll be learning about parameters and functions. And I know we've been doing like 3 tutorials in a row with functions, so functions might be a little bit boring now. Don't worry, we're getting on to some fun stuff in the next tutorial, which won't be about functions, so yay. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the script. So insert your script, you guys know how to do that. Alright, so basically, a function is...
Well, this what?
But a parameter is like, also called an argument. It's something you give when you call the function, so the function can do something with that value. Okay, that might have confused you. I'm really sorry if it did, but don't worry, it shouldn't be that confusing. So I'm gonna go and type in local function, and we'll call it add. Okay, and now we're gonna just make a normal function. Okay, but what we're gonna do differently is that you see a little parentheses right here. You're probably wondering like, okay, so whenever we first made our function, you're probably wondering like, why do we need parentheses? And it's because we put arguments or parameters in there. So I'll show you what I mean. So we'll do number 1 and number 2, okay? So basically we have a function that just has 2 parameters called number 1 and number 2. So now if I call the function down here, you see right now, which is nothing happens, right? But what I can do with these numbers is I can put a value in when I call the function, okay? So it doesn't have to be called number 1, it can be called whatever you want. It can be you know, hot dog, okay, it doesn't matter, but I'm just making it, you know, numbers because for easier reference. So ham, okay. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So now we have add, right? So we're gonna put values in for these two things. Now whenever you put the values in, you gotta make sure you put commas. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. So we're gonna do 3, comma 2, okay? Now right now, if we call this function, it's obviously not gonna do anything because we haven't wrote any code in here. But we're gonna make the function do something now. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. We're gonna do print hot dog plus ham. Okay. So basically, I'm gonna go and run the script to see what happens. So let's go and run it. Add 3, 2, comma 5, or that's 3, 2, and 5. We got 5. Do print hot dog plus ham. Okay, so basically,
well, am I like printing something in the output bar or something? I'm kind of confused. Ugh. Oh. Oh, it worked.
I'm gonna go and run the script to see what happens. So let's go and run it. Add 3, 2, comma 5, or that's 3, 2, and 5. We got 5 because it added 3 and 2. Now you're probably wondering, okay, now you know it added 3 and 2. So obviously you put in 3 and you put in 2, and it's okay. It's actually I don't know why I'm like explaining it so hard. It's just a variable technically, guys. It's really all it is. You're just printing a variable. So what we can do now is we can also add in a string value for this. Okay, we can do hot dog. We can do sweets. Hot dogs are sweet. No, they're not. But we're just gonna call them sweet. So basically, right now this will actually error because you can't add a string and a variable. So we're gonna get rid of the ham. But we can, even though we add in this ham, which is a 2 because it's the second, you see, the ham is just a 2 because we're putting in 2, and the hot dog will be equal to sweet because we're passing in sweet. So it's gonna print sweet. Okay, pretty simple. It's just like variables, not that hard to understand. And also, the cool thing about parameters is that you can add, like stuff like this. So let me show you again. So we can do add, and we can do cool. We can copy paste it again. We can do awesome, and now it's gonna print awesome. If you see what I mean. It's gonna print sweet, cool, and awesome because we called the function 3 different times, and we set 3 different.
Looking back, my life has been nothing but failure.
that the function? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not paying attention. Great. Oh, it's meant to be on. Oh, doesn't matter. Oh, it worked. So it printed these 3 words.
Values to hot dog each time we called it. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much functions or parameters with functions, and I hope it's not too confusing. And if it is, make sure to leave a comment below, let me know, because I want to help you guys. And if you guys are down there in the comments and you know their answer to someone's question, or you think, you know what, just leave them another comment, answer them. You know, it's just a nice thing to do. And if they do, or if no one answers you, then I will be sure to, because I've answered every comment so far. So yeah, that is parameters, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did subscribe, like, and there is a link down below to the entire post if you don't want to waste time, you know, just clicking through. So yeah, anyways, guys, in the next tutorial we'll be going over if statements. I'm excited, but yeah, see you there. Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Devin here, back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you about if statements, okay? No more functions, alright? If statements, okay? So basically, if
I was outside.
when you do something like this, okay? You'll be like, if this is equal to this, then do this, or if this is true, then do this. So it's pretty simple, and it shouldn't be too hard to grasp. But if you do have trouble, like I said, always leave a comment. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and make our first if statement. So before we do that, let's go ahead and make a variable though, because we're gonna need a variable. So we'll do local x is equal to 3. Alright, and we're not gonna use that just yet, but we'll do this, okay? So here we go. Type in if. Alright, you're gonna do if 3 is equal to 3, then okay, type that in. So I'm gonna explain all this right now. So basically, if is the keyword for an if statement, and then 3 is just a term or a number, and equal to instead of just equal. Basically, equal to and then equal to, or like 2 equal signs, mean it's checking if it's equal to. And so it's not like setting it equal to, like 1 equal sign would. It's checking if it's equal to. So whenever you're using an if statement, you're gonna need to make sure you do 2 equal signs and not 1. So, so if 3 is equal to 3, I'm probably saying it wrong because I say equal to because I read it like that because it's 2 equal signs. So it really is just equal to, I'm pretty sure, but I'm just gonna say equal to because it's just easier for me. So yeah, equal to 3, then print yes, okay? So if 3 is equal to 3, then print yes. And obviously, you guys know that 3 is equal to 3 because 3 is 3, so it prints yes. Alright, and yeah, that is a if statement. But obviously, you're not going to be using numbers that often because you already know the stuff, so you wouldn't want to use an if statement to figure out something you already know. So you would use a variable. So let's say you're making a variable, or you're finding the transparency of an object, and you wanted to see if it was equal to 3. Now, obviously, transparency will never be 3, but you know, for example's sake, we'll do 3. So if f is equal to 3, then print yes. And now x is equal to 3, as you can see, so it prints yes because I can find x up here.
I might end it off. Actually, I'll end it. I'll end the stream when I finish this video. I'm kind of bored. And then I'll learn some of this other stuff off stream. Yo, Fumblet, is there like any videos that you can recommend to me in terms of scripting? If you're still here. Like, is there any YouTubers you can recommend? I don't know. I don't have experience with scripting. Damn. I'll just watch tutorials then. Alright, bye. It was fun hanging around. Hanging out. I need to eat. Alright, see ya, man. Oh, I'm gonna end stream. I'm kinda bored. It's like 9. It's 9 PM for me. Actually, you know, I'll continue streaming. I'll just give up.
That is an if statement
now.
But there are a lot more things to know about this. So, another cool thing with if statements is you can do ands. So let me show you what I mean now. So we'll make another variable. We'll call it y. So y is equal to 9. Okay. So you can do this. You can do if. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 9, then print yes. So it checks if both values are true. So it's gonna go ahead and do this. It's gonna print yes because they're both true. Now if I were to change this to 6, alright, then it wouldn't print because both of these aren't true. And same thing if it was just 1. If I had x is equal to 3, or if I have x is equal to 3 and x was actually equal to 2, then it wouldn't print yes because x is not equal to 3. Okay, so it doesn't print here because x isn't equal to 3. So yeah, I guess I'll go ahead and show you guys another thing. So you can do ors. All right, so or y is equal to 6. All right, so kind of simple. You guys understand. If x is equal to 2, or if x is equal to 3, or y is equal to 6, then print yes. So basically, as you can see here, x is equal to 2, but y is equal to 6. So it's going to print yes because one of them is true.
I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just typing out stuff. I'm getting it, like, slowly. Yes, and then 7. Dude, I'm not ending stream yet. I'm not gonna give up that easily. I wanna learn.
Or statement. And now you can always do this with like booleans. So you can do this. You can do local anchored. Okay. This obviously isn't the anchored thing.
Oh, you were gonna end?
You can do local anchored is equal to true. All right. No, this isn't anywhere. But and then you can do anchored if anchored is equal to true. Then print yes, and we set anchor to true here, so it's gonna print yes. And now let me show you guys a cool thing we can do. So whenever you guys are scripting, sometimes you'll want to do like stuff like you'll usually give statements a lot, but sometimes you want to check if something's equal to something, so you can do something else with it. So for example, we're gonna use a base plate. All right. Now we're gonna go and get the base plate here. We're gonna do local base plates is equal to, or no, local base plate is equal to game.workspace.baseplate. Because remember, it's the hierarchy. Game is everywhere, and then that.
Oh, so local x equals 2. So if x equals 3 or y equals 7, then print yes. Oh, okay, that makes sense. So, what? So if I did, if x equals, I don't know, 2 plus 2, that would, no, if x equaled 2 and then y equal 2, then and then I would do if x equals 2 or y equals 2, then print, and then I would put then print 4 or something like that. I don't know. I'm kind of confused.
Workspace and the dot base plate. So
I think that's
delete
what
that
if
because it's not
statements
variable anymore.
mean. I don't
So
know.
we'll type base plate there. So actually wait, sorry, let me delete this again. So we have local base plate is equal to game.workspace.baseplate. Okay. Now we can do this. We can do this. Alright, we can do if base plate dot anchored is equal to true, then prints it is anchored, yo. Okay, so the base plate is anchored, as you can see here. Click on it, and the anchored, so it's gonna print it is true, yo, or it is anchored, yo, because that's what I wanted in the print. But you can do if it's equal to false, and if it's not, if it's equal to false, then this if statement will not run. Okay, that's how it works. If it's not equal to what it is, then this if statement will not run. So it's not gonna print it is anchored, yo, because it's not gonna run. Alright, so that's pretty simple. Like, if you know what I'm saying, like, it's not gonna print that because if it's not true, then it just skips over this basically. So yeah, that's if statements, and yeah. So another, but let me show you what I do. Let me show you like a cool thing you can do with like actual games. So we can do if the base plate is equal to, or equal to true, then whenever it's equal to true, then we can go in here and make it equal to false. So it's a little tricky, but we can make it equal to false. So we'll do make base plate dot anchored is equal to false. And remember, only one equal sign because you're setting it equal to something. And then we can wait. Oh yeah, this is a wait function.
I'm gonna type out like a completely different code now. Oh, let's just look basically. The workspace. I'm gonna write if display Oh, did I not function call that? Man, my. Can I type up the script? Can't tell. Well, I just typed out. By the way, am I getting a custom Susano? Yeah. Oh, so this script just makes the base plate invisible. Oh. So it unanchors the base plate. Or some, I don't know. Am I getting a custom Susano? Yeah. We just need to learn how to script a Susano and model a Susano first. No, you unanchored it. It means it falls into the void. Oh, okay. At least there's someone here that would, like, sort of explain the basics to me. How long are you gonna stream? You said it was 9 p.m. for you. Probably like another 40 minutes. You can press run instead of play. You don't have to wait for the loading screen. Right, bet. Oh, wait, where's the run thing? Am I stupid or something? Sorry, I'm a bit slow. The arrow underneath play. Oh, my bad. Oh, damn. Alright, let me run that again. Oh, so that unanchors the base plate.
Guys, basically it's pretty simple. You just type wait, and then in parentheses you put how many seconds you want to wait. So we'll wait 2 seconds, and then we'll set it back to true. So yeah. So it's gonna fall out of the sky for a sec.
Is this supposed to happen? Run. Gonna eat? I don't eat at 9 p.m. It's too late to eat. Oh, Someone joined the chat, but I didn't
See what
respond to
I'm gonna
them.
follow this guy for a sec, and I'm not gonna actually play the game. I'm gonna hit run, and basically all run does is it doesn't spawn you in, but it runs the game. So I'm gonna hit run, and the base plate falls for a second, waits 2 seconds, stops because it just got anchored. So yeah, guys, that is a little cool thing you can do. You can make stuff fall out of the sky, and I'm gonna do that. But yeah, that is if statements.
I'm gonna
So,
watch
I
like
don't know
9 more
if you know about if
tutorial
statements,
videos.
Else statements and else ifs. They're pretty simple though, so don't worry about that.
Like
Next
10
video.
more
But yeah,
even.
guys, I'll see you tomorrow in the next tutorial. Peace, guys. Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Def King here, back from the video. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys if statements and else if statements. So it's pretty simple, nothing really too hard to understand, but basically, all it is like an else statement is like, if the if statement is not true, then it will run the else statement, because that's what it else, I guess, is. That makes any sense. But, and then else ifs are a little bit, you know, like else ifs, but I'll show you what I mean in a second. So let's go ahead and insert a script. So, script, and we have a script, and now let's go ahead and make a variable. So we'll do local hot dogs is equal to 3, and then we can do if hot dogs is equal to 3, then prints hot dogs is equal to 3. Okay, so basically what this does is it will run and it sees that hot dog is equal to 3, so it will print 3. Okay, you guys know it'll print 3, that's obvious, right? But let's say we changed hot dogs to 2. Okay, now if we change hot dogs to 2, this entire thing just wouldn't run. Like if hot dogs wouldn't run, because if hot dogs is equal to 3 is then we wouldn't do the then, because hot dogs isn't equal to 3. So this whole thing would just be ignored. Now if we did an else statement like this, okay, if we did an else statement and printed hot dogs isn't equal to 3, here, I'll change this back to 3, then if it's not, okay, so basically an else statement will run if this condition is not true. Okay, that's kind of how to break it down. So we'll go ahead and run it right now, and it's just gonna print hot dogs is equal to 3, because if hot dogs is equal to 3, then print that, right? But if we
Yeah, I'm getting tired. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna end it here. See you guys.